you, Carlo. Well, we have a jam-packed function room here in Soler. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. You know, I was just appointed 60 days ago. Today is September 2. I was appointed July 2. So that was 60 days ago of pure hard work, hitting the ground running because we have to do this for Philippine sports. I see a lot of faces, but when I arrived this afternoon, the Secretary General of POC, Martin Chan, asked me, I see not so familiar faces. And I said, that is on purpose. We just identified a few NSAs who will host their international events in the next few months, but we invited all those interested in Philippine sports, people we don't know, people we don't see, but just the same, they love sports. That's why they are here. So allow me just to run through this very important guest list. Konti lang naman po ito, mga 200 lang. But we have to acknowledge all of you. And for those who arrived, that's not in that guest list, we'll acknowledge you later on. We have the confirmation he will arrive in a little while, the Senator of the Philippines, Speak Subiri, who is also the President of our NIS. We have from a representative